Alright, hey everybody. So if I have time today, I was going to take a look at this Stihl MS250. Now a customer bought this brand new, but won't start. Customer never got to use it. Now I really don't know much of, like when these things come in, but I'm sure it got delivered when our tech wasn't here. And so I'm going to see if I can take a look at it. I'll be checking for spark, obviously if it has gas in it. All that good jazz. He said it wouldn't start. There's some oil on it. Let's see. I think this cover just pops off of here. There's your air filter, carburetor's behind it. There's a spark plug. We got this little spark tester here. We'll test that first. Make sure it has good gas. I did look at the gas. It has gas in it. And so maybe I'll put some fresh fuel in it. And we'll kind of go from there. And so we'll see if, if I can get it running. It'd be nice if I could get it running before the end of the day. It's too tight to get the spark tester in here, so I'm gonna have to maybe take this, little cover off here, which is probably these two bolts right here, I would assume. And then I can at least test it for spark. That's gonna be the first thing we do. Okay, well I think first of all we should probably just try to crank the shit out of it. Let's choke it. Nope. No, didn't even want to fire at all. So let's take that cover off, get at that spark plug and check and see if it's got some spark to it. Okay, so I took these two bolts out here. This housing was on this, so this is the air filter, like so. So far we just took off two bolts, the air filter. Now the air filter looks like it's got some gas or something in it. Now this is a brand new saw. So usually when we sell a saw, we crank it up before the customer leaves the store. He said he went to re-crank it and it just wouldn't fire. There's like a bunch of oil and shit all over it. It could be that it's flooded. And so let's go a little further. So when you choke these, like right now, this is be like when you're fully choking it. So the choke functions, half choke, off just pushes the whole carburetor off. That way it kills it right away. So all that functions properly. Now we could spray a little bit of starter fluid in here. I think I have some. The starting fluid. And it should, if it has starting fluid in it, it should crank. So let's take this back off and try to crank it again. Fully choked. All the way down, choked. Nope. Okay. And so now I think we want to get that. I want to get that spark plug out and see how. It could be a fouled spark plug, could be a flooded spark plug. The little shield just comes right off. Pull this off. I think I'm just going to pull the spark plug and see if it's all wet. Tight. Damn, that is tight, dude. Look at that. I still don't even think I loosened it. Oh, I did. Jesus Christ, that was tight. Well, she's definitely real wet. So it's probably a flooding issue. I don't know if you can see how wet that tip is on there, but the whole hole is wet too. So let's dry that off. Get a paper towel down there, dry the hole out, put it back in, or put a new spark in and see if it fires. Just use some compressed air. I should have dried it out enough. Let's throw it back in there. And then while we have this out, we'll do a spark test on it. This is an NKG. We'll do a spark test, see if it gets spark, and then we'll go from there. If I can do this without shaking the table too hard, you might see this little light light up. Yeah, we're good on spark. Sorry about that. I gotta find a better way to film. So it's good on spark. So now that the plug's not all wet, let's plug it back in and see if it'll fire. Maybe you have to have this airbox on to try to give it a little bit. I don't know. So let's put the airbox back on real quick. Yep. Damn, it's hot in here. Nothing. Well, this one's going to require a little bit more of a deeper dive into it. So I checked spark. It's got spark. Screws are tight. It does choke, as you could tell when I choked it. It does have gas. I can show you that. Unless the customer put some other weird gas in it. It's got good gas. I guess I didn't check the bar oil, but I don't think you would need it to just start the machine, right? But it's got bar oil in it. Huh, okay. Alright, well, what do you guys think it could be? What's next on the to check list? I think we take that back off one more time. So maybe let's change the spark plug out. Should have a bad spark plug from the get-go in it. Just drop the damn bolt right there. Ooh. Okay. And every time I pull it out, it is wet. So let's get another spark plug, a new one. And this one's an NKG, and then we're going to put a Bosch in it. What I think I'm going to do before that, though, is I'm going to turn this upside down and pull it a couple times and see what comes out of the hole. Okay, I didn't see any liquids coming out. Let's blow some more air in there. Just dry it out a little bit. Put the Bosch in now. So let's cover back on. Let's try to start at half choke now with the new nothing, not even a hint. Not even a fucking hint. Huh. Alright. This one might have to be a tomorrow deal. I can't seem to figure this one out yet. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comments and I'll try it tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody.